Hi guys, here I am back with another video on Russia is giving S-400 to India, ignoring China's objection. First, I would like to brief you about S-400. S-400 is an anti-aircraft weapon system which was developed by Russia in 1990s. It has been in service with Russian armed forces since 2007. Saudi Arabia, China and Turkey is currently using it, and sooner it will be delivered to India also. Per unit, S400 consists of the following. Number 1. A system that can track maximum of 100 targets at the same time. Number 2. A launcher which can launch 72 missiles at the same time to destroy 36 targets, which means 2 for each target. It can destroy targets like missiles, drones and aircraft. Number 3. It has 4 different types of missiles to engage targets of different ranges, that are 400 kilometers, 250 kilometers, 120 kilometers and 40 kilometers. Number 4. 40 launchers and about 1000 missiles. On 5 October 2018, a 40,000 crore deal was signed between India and Russia officially. Russia was to give first S-400 to India by the end of 2021, but now India need it to be at a safer side from an attack of China. So our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh went to Russia on Russia's Victory Day on 24th June 2020, which they celebrate because on that day Japan surrendered, ending up the Second World War. Our defense minister requested the Russian President Putin to prepone the delivery in few months, and Putin agreed on it. Although China gave many objections to Russia, but Russia ignored them all. As Russia is one of our best friends from our freedom, as in 1971 Russia helped us when almost half of the world was against us, and powerful countries like USA and UK sent their navy to attack, but Russia sent their navy before the arrival of US and UK, so they did not attack us. So let's come on back on the topic. So now I would like to mention that China also have S-400 missile system, but the major difference between India and China's S-400 missile system is that China is only having the missile system of range of 250 kilometers, but India is also having 400-kilometer ranged missile. As India is a member of MTCR, or the Missile Technology Regime, as China is not a member of MTCR, so Russia is a member of MTCR, and according to the rules of MTCR, a MTCR member cannot sell a missile over 290-kilometer range to a non-MTCR member, and China is not the member of MTCR. And as we all know, Russia have a good relations with India, so they are now neutral in Indo-China border situations. As first to oppose USA, they were with China. Before turning neutral, Russia made a proper plan to not fight against India in future. They made plans for all the possibilities that can happen, and now Russia has told that they will not interfere in Indo-China border conflict. The defense minister of Russia also said that US will never resolve their battle, as a neutral person can only resolve a battle, and he also said that now the only country which can resolve India and China's battle is Russia. And now the rest you all know. You have to like, share and comment.